Welcome to Insurance World TV. Today we embark on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the historical development of marine insurance. Ever wondered how commerce maintained its buoyancy before the era of advanced insurance? What was the solid foundation that assured merchants of the safety of their goods, giving them a good night's sleep? Let's dive deep into the captivating realms of marine insurance. Marine insurance has been an essential pillar of global trade with a rich and fascinating history. It functioned as a reliable safety net for maritime merchants, shielding their cargo from the unpredictable dangers lurking in the expansive oceans. Marine insurance is about managing risk. It provides a sense of security, the comfort of knowing that in case of unforeseen circumstances, the financial damage would be lessened. Marine insurance was the strong fortification that allowed commerce to flourish, in spite of inherent risks associated with maritime trade. It provided the confidence for explorers to venture into unknown waters, and businesses to broaden their scope, with the assurance that their enterprises were safeguarded. The chronicle of marine insurance is as profound and vast as the oceans themselves, filled with captivating advancements and metamorphoses. Our journey begins in the ancient days where the first recorded instances of marine insurance emerge. Let's take a step back in time to the cradle of civilization, ancient Babylon. Here, traders seeking to safeguard their goods from the unpredictable nature of sea voyages devised a system of loans that could be repaid only upon the successful delivery of their goods. Just across the Mediterranean, the Greeks were developing a similar system, transferring the risk from the merchant to the lender. The loss or gain was determined by the fate of the ship and its cargo. Then came the Romans, who brought their own spin to the concept. They introduced bottom-re contracts, a unique form of loan where the ship itself was used as collateral. If the ship didn't make it back, neither did the loan. These were the humble beginnings of a system that evolved into a cornerstone of global trade. A testament to human ingenuity, these early forms of marine insurance laid the groundwork for the complex systems we see today. As we sail into the Middle Ages, marine insurance begins to take on a more familiar form. This was a period where the concept of marine insurance started to evolve and grow in prominence, particularly in Europe. Traders, ship owners, and merchants frequently faced risks from pirates, storms, and other perils of the sea. To mitigate these risks, they started forming mutual agreements that shared the risk among them. One of the key developments in marine insurance during the Middle Ages was its establishment on Lombard Street in London. This bustling street was a hub of international trade and finance, and became the birthplace of modern marine insurance. Lombard Street was where brokers and underwriters would gather, discussing risks, premiums, and policies over mugs of ale in the local taverns. As the centuries passed, marine insurance continued to evolve, reflecting the changing needs and risks of maritime trade. One of the most significant milestones in this journey was the creation of Lloyd's Coffee House in the late 17th century. This wasn't just any coffee house. Lloyd's was a hub for ship captains, merchants, and ship owners, a place where they could share news, discuss business, and more importantly, arrange for insurance. Lloyd's Coffee House eventually transformed into the world-renowned Lloyd's of London, an institution that has dominated the marine insurance industry for centuries. The establishment of Lloyd's marked a significant shift in the marine insurance landscape. It introduced a more structured and professional approach to underwriting risks, setting standards that are still followed today. The story of marine insurance is a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to mitigate risks. From the informal mutual agreements of Middle Ages traders to the professional underwriting of Lloyd's, marine insurance has continuously evolved to meet the demands of an ever-changing world. With the establishment of Lloyd's of London, marine insurance was poised to enter a new era of influence and importance. Fast forward to today, and we find marine insurance as a vital cog in the wheel of international trade. The age of sail and steam has given way to the era of digital technology and complex supply chains, yet the essence of marine insurance remains the same: to manage risk and provide financial security in the face of uncertainty. Modern marine insurance is a diverse field, offering a broad range of policies to cater to the multifaceted needs of the global trade industry. Let's navigate through some of these policies. Hull insurance, for instance, covers physical damage to the ship itself, ensuring that ship owners are not left high and dry in case of accidents or mishaps. Then there's cargo insurance, which protects the goods being transported. This policy is a lifeline for importers and exporters, shielding them from financial loss if their cargo is damaged or lost at sea. Protection and indemnity insurance, or P&I, covers ship owners and operators against third-party liabilities. These may include personal injury, pollution, and damage to port facilities, among others. With the vastness of the ocean and the unpredictability of nature, this policy is crucial in maintaining the smooth sailing of maritime operations. Freight, demurrage, and defense insurance, often referred to as FDD, offers legal cost coverage for disputes related to charter parties and cargo claims. In an industry where legal disputes can be as stormy as the high seas, FDD provides a safe harbor for ship owners and charterers. Each of these policies plays a significant role, providing a safety net for the various stakeholders in the maritime industry. They ensure that the wheels of global commerce keep turning, regardless of the challenges that may arise. In the era of digital transformation, marine insurance has adapted and evolved. From blockchain technology for seamless policy issuance to artificial intelligence for risk assessment, the industry is leveraging cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and customer experience. In the face of ever-evolving global trade dynamics, marine insurance continues to serve as a steadfast safeguard. Just as the lighthouse guides ships through treacherous waters, marine insurance illuminates the path for the world of international trade. Today we've navigated through the centuries, charting the course of marine insurance from its ancient origins to its modern practices. We've seen how this form of insurance first surfaced in the ancient world, providing security for adventurous seafarers who dared to traverse the unpredictable seas in search of new lands and treasures. Our voyage then took us to the Middle Ages, a time of great exploration and expansion. Marine insurance evolved to meet the needs of these daring explorers, becoming a vital part of maritime voyages. We touched on the establishment of the iconic Lloyd's of London, a beacon in the world of marine insurance. In the modern era, we've witnessed how marine insurance has adapted to the changing times, incorporating advanced technologies and innovative practices to better manage risks and protect the interests of those involved in maritime trade. As we drop anchor on this journey, remember that the next time you see a cargo ship on the horizon, there's a rich history of marine insurance ensuring its voyage.